Good day, children. Sai Ram. I welcome you all to the next class of grammar. We are going to learn the new chapter today. First, read these lines given below and circle the words given in the help box. Now, in the help box, two words have been given and but. You are going to read the lines given below, and wherever you see the word and in but, you are going to circle that word. Okay, children? The poem name is Rainbow. Look, look, look at the sky. There is a colorful rainbow in the sky. The colors they spread are beautiful. But now the word but has come. So the word but is also there in the help box. So we are supposed to circle that word but. But there are clouds passing by. In and. Now the word and has also come. So I am going to circle the word and. In and out are seen the colors violet, indigo, blue and green, yellow, orange and. The word and has come. So I am going to circle the word and red. So but and I have circled these words. But why am I circling these words? Why they have told us to circle these words? Let us learn that. But, and, though, since, because, till and many more words. I'll read the words again. But, and, though, since, because, till, etc. etc. means many more words. Join words or sentences together. The above words, they join words or sentences together. The words are but, and, since, though, because, till, or. These all are the words which join words or sentences together. If we have two sentences, I want to make it into a one sentence. So, with the help of these words, I am going to join the words or sentences. Suppose you have two papers, two drawing papers, but you want it into one. So what do? You put a glue in between and then stick the paper, right? So with the help of the glue, you stick the paper and the two papers are together, right? Similarly, if I want two words or sentences together, with the help of these words, I am going to join two words or sentences. What are the words? But, and, though, since, because, still. There are many more words we are going to study in grade 2. But now in grade 1, we are going to study about and, but, or, because. And, but, or, because. So you know, children, what are these words known as? These words are known as joining words. These words are known as joining words. Joining words are those which join words or sentences together. If there are two different sentences, I need to join them. So with the help of the joining words, I am going to join the words or sentences. These words are known as joining words. So in standard 1, we are going to learn 4 joining words. And, but, or, because. We'll go to grade 2, we learn more. Okay. So today in grammar, chapter number 11, we are going to learn about joining words. How to join the words or sentences. Are you all ready, children? Very good. Now first joining word we are going to study is and. And is a connecting word that tells us more. And is a connecting word, means a joining word that tells us more. The example is the bird can fly and hop. Suppose the sentence is the bird can fly, the bird can hop. So I want to join these two sentences together. The bird can fly, the bird can hop. So we are talking more about the bird. So which joining word are we going to use here? We are going to use the word and. So the answer is the bird can fly and hop. The bird can fly and hop. Two different sentences we are making into a one single sentence. Okay, children? Next, when do we use but? But is a connecting word that makes a contrast. Contrast means different. Contrast between two words or sentences means the sentences are not similar, they are different. Means Tia picked up the mango but did not eat it. She picked up the mango. If you are picking up the mango, you will eat it, na? But she did not eat it. Different between the two words or sentences. Contrast between two words or sentences. We use the word but there. Okay? Tia picked up the mango but did not eat it. Okay? Next. Because. When do we use the joining word because? Because is a connecting word that connect the result of something with its reason. If you want to say something, if you have a reason with it, you are going to use the word because. The example is, they took him to hospital because he was sick. There's a reason, na? We took him to hospital. What was the reason? Because he was sick. So here the connecting word we are using, the joining word we are using here is because. They took him to hospital because he was sick. Or. When is or used? Or is a connecting word that suggests that only one possibility. You can come to school by walk or by bus. One thing you can do. Here the example is, you can have tea or coffee. Both you cannot have, na? So you can have tea or coffee. So now we have learned the 4 joining words today. And, but, because, or. I have told you which word you are going to use when. When do we use and, children? When we talk more about that thing or a person or anything. But when there is a contrast, differences between the two words or sentences, we use the word but. When do we use because? Because is used when we have a reason. When do we use or? Or is only one possibility can be realized. Okay? Or you can have tea or you can have coffee. Do you like apple or an orange? You have to choose one. So we use or. Have you all understood, children? Very good. So let us solve one small exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable joining words. My cat dash my dog are good friends. So here I am talking about my cat but my dog or my dog. What it will come? Yes, it will come and my dog. I'm talking more about cat and dog. I'm telling about cat and dog that they are good friends. So my cat and my dog are good friends. Your but, why but is not coming? Is there any contrast between the two sentences or two words? No, na? That is the reason. Next. The boy is intelligent dash lazy. Now you're intelligent, lazy. Two different words. There is a contrast, opposite. Intelligent he is, but he is lazy. So here the word will come but. I think the word has come here like that. Let me write here but. B-U-T, but. Okay. B-U-T, but. Okay. So the your word will come but. B-U-T, but. The boy is intelligent but lazy. Okay, children, understood? Yeah. Now next. Should we make some sandwiches? Dash order some pastries. He's asking, should we make sandwiches? Here there is a possibility. So here it will come or. Again the word has come like that here. So we'll write here or. O-R, or. Should we make some sandwiches or order some pastries? Okay. Next. I put on a coat. Dash it was cold. He put on a coat. He or she put on a coat. Here there is a reason. Because it was cold. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. Because it was cold. Next. The dog is angry dash hungry. The dog is angry and hungry. The dog is angry and hungry. Next. I want cake dash I am not allowed. He wants cake. So here there is a contrast between two words. He wants cake, but I am not allowed. I want cake, but I am not allowed. So here the joining word will come but. It will be sunny dash there will be no game. It will be sunny and there will be no game. If it will be sunny, there will be no game. Tina has a car dash her brother has a bike. Now there two different sentences. Tina has a car but her brother has a bike. So here the joining word will come but. She cannot play today. Here she is giving a reason because she is ill. She cannot play today because she is ill. Here she is giving a reason. So here the joining word will come because. Is Ria your sister dash your cousin? We are asking. There is a possibility. Is Ria your sister or your cousin? So here the word will come or. Is Ria your sister or your cousin? Now let us see this exercise. Join these sentences using the words given in the bracket. The word is given in the bracket. You have to join the sentence. I went into the shop. I bought an ice cream. In the bracket the word is and. I went into the shop. I bought an ice cream. So here which joining word are we supposed to use? We are supposed to use the word and. So with the word and I am going to join the sentence. I went into the shop and I bought an ice cream. This is the way you are going to join the sentence. I went into the shop and I bought an ice cream. Next. Apples are sweet, lemons are sour. In the bracket the word is but. So the answer is apples are sweet but lemons are sour. Apples are sweet sorry, but lemons are sour. Next. He sat on a chair. He wrote a letter. Your joining word you're going to use is and. He sat on a chair and wrote a letter. He sat on a chair and wrote a letter. Again the word he you are not going to write. Once you have written he na, he sat on a chair and he wrote a letter, it will not come. Two times you cannot use the same word in the sentence. Ramu is short, Raju is tall. In the bracket the word is but. Ramu is short but Raju is tall. Isn't it easy, children? Next. We can travel by bus. We can travel by car. The word is or. So we can travel by bus or by car. You cannot write again we can travel again and again. So only once you are going to write. We can travel by bus or by car. She saw me. She did not speak. In the bracket the word is but. She saw me but she did not speak. So using the word but you are going to join the sentence. Have you all understood, children? This chapter, isn't it easy? Okay. So you are going to revise this chapter at home. Till then you take care of yourself, children. Thank you, children. Sai Ram.